is up, Kiwis, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious brown butter chocolate chip cookies. So I'm first going to start off by browning my butter. I'm just getting my butter on the pan and browning it until you see these nice brown chunks on the bottom. After that, I'm going to transfer my cold brown butter mixture into my bowl, and I'll also be adding all of my sugar and all of the rest of the ingredients. And by the way, all of the measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. And if you guys haven't already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. So now, as you guys can see, I'm adding my egg into my brown butter and sugar mixture. I'm also gonna go in with a splash of vanilla and make sure that I mix in all of my wet ingredients. And now that all of my wet ingredients are well combined, I'm going to go in with my dry ingredients. So I just have my flour, my baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And now we can fold all of this in. Make sure you guys do not overmix it because we're also going to add in those chocolate chunks in a little bit. And now we can go ahead and chop up our chocolate. I have some Lindt milk chocolate and dark chocolate. I only used half of a bar of each of these, and I like to personally chop up my own chocolate rather than using the chocolate chips, just because I feel like it melts better and you get nice different varieties in each. Now we can go ahead and incorporate that chocolate into our batter. And once again, you guys, make sure you do not overmix your cookie dough because we want our cookies to be nice and soft and gooey. And now that we're done with that, we can go ahead and scoop out our cookie dough. So I'm just using an ice cream scoop here, and I'm just going to try to evenly get some nice proportions and put it on my parchment lined baking tray. So here are our cookies before they go in the oven. I added some more chocolate chunks on top, and now we're just going to place this in our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 minutes. Just make sure you keep your eye on it. Alrighty, you guys, here are our cookies straight out of the oven. They look absolutely amazing. And also shout out to my best friend Sadie, who got me these super cute oven mitts. I absolutely love them. And yeah, so here's a close-up shot of our cookies. You guys, these cookies turned out to be so good. They were nice and gooey in the middle and nice and crunchy on the outside. And just take a look at the inside of that. So good. I highly recommend that you guys try out this recipe. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below how you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.